Daily Life Vlogs. You here, please support. Yun. Leonie Ariola, Tamsak Dan host. Have wonderful time. God bless. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Thank you, Leonie Ariola. Ito si Daily Life Vlogs. Lagyan natin ng moderator. Sorry. Leonie Ariola. Thank you. Daily Life Vlog, nagbaba po ng kanyang bahay. Isabit po natin. Pen message, yun. Leonie, si Ma'am. Oh my God, where's my ball pen? Something long, now I long to you. Norminda De Leon, good evening. Bullet Rider, good evening. Thank you, host. Ma'am Norby, thank you. Naka-LS din sa wakas. Yesterday. Bakit wala mga bulpin? Wala mga tinta itong mga bulpin. Ano?
Ayusin mo kasi hindi yan kung dinediin mo masyado.
Ariola. Daily Life Vlogs. Ma'am Ken, thank you, Ma'am. Ma'am Ken, thank you so much. Baby, you're my vlog. Mami, Juby, Kin Russell, mega love shoutout po. Yun, kilala pala si Ma'am to. How are you guys? Support. MB Bullet Rider host. Sa'yo rin. Is this the MB? MB is